This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, Priya. So I'll share the recording, Priya, today because I got today only I got the recording. I need to download and I need to upload in YouTube. Then I'll share the links. Okay, Priya. Oh, Priya left. One second. Maybe she has some technical issue. Yeah. So what we discussed, Ujesh, yesterday we have discussed automation, right? Hello. Hello.
Something with my microphone, I'm not able to hear anything.
Yep.
Hello. I'm not able to hear you, Priya. Ujesh, are you able to hear me?
Yeah, I actually said yeah too. Yep. Can you hear
You're
me?
not able. Yeah, I am able to hear you.
Okay.
You're not able to hear me.
I can hear you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yesterday we have been discuss about just started a automation, right?
Yeah. Yep.
We just created the logo, then letterhead we created, right?
Yep.
Okay. So let me go to this. Yeah, login. Okay. Let me go down there. Yeah, Mixi. Hmm. From here, go to setup. Next, we go to letterhead. Classic letterhead. Okay. So we have created letterhead yesterday and logo yesterday, right? Now let us create a email template. Let 1 second. Let me call her. And what is the problem? Let me call her 1 second. She'll start. Yeah. So she is also joining. Let her join. Okay. So let me go to, so we created a logo, then we created letterhead. Okay. And now I want to create a email template, right? So email. Okay. So I want to create a classic email template. Classic email. Yeah, classic email template. Okay. I want to create an email template now. If you see here, okay, if you see here, so marketing, these are the standard, okay, standard email templates has been given by Salesforce. If you want to make use of them, we can make. So let me open any sales customer email. Okay. So it says that, okay, dear customer, some customer, whatever the dear customer, all of us at GenBot are glad to have your account as a customer. I would like to introduce myself as you are an account manager. Should you have any questions, please feel free to call me at the phone number and email ID. Okay, you can also contact on these following numbers. Like that, this is an email template, right? So this email template they will use for everyone if they want to communicate with any of these customer. They'll use that. Same like marketing. Okay, here also dear lead means the name, dear person maybe Subhani, dear Subhani. Thank you for your inquiry about GenVault's product. Okay, a representative will contact you shortly. Okay, yeah, Priya, are you able to hear Priya?
Yeah, I can hear you, Shubhan.
Okay, then fine. Okay, so now we are going to. Yesterday we have seen how to create a logo in automation. So before going to create a workflow, the prerequisites are, so we need to create a logo, then we need to create a letterhead, then we need to create an email template. So why I am using workflow means to send an email, welcome email to an employee who joined in company, right? So to get that as an automation process, uh, I'm going to use through workflow. I'm going to do that. So to send an email invitation. So before that, we have to do some prerequisites. The prerequisite is first we need to create a logo, then letterhead. Both of them we have seen yesterday. So today, let us see about how to create an email template. So click on classic email template. From QuickFind, just enter email template. So email classic template. Click new. So these are all standard, whatever we are seeing. Okay. So whatever we are seeing here. Okay. So these are all the standard. Okay. So if I open anything here, okay, something, okay, if I open this one, it says that, okay, so subject, this is, and dear contact, the case has been resolved, like this something. Okay. So I want to create my own. I don't want to use the standard one. I want to create my own. So create new template. Okay, new email template. Okay, so we can create 4 email templates actually. Okay, but first 3 we can do, but the last one is Visual Force. We cannot do that. We can do through only development. Okay, we cannot do from here. Okay, so I want to create a email template. Okay, so we can create email template by using HTML using letterhead. Okay, or custom without using classic letterhead, whatever the letterhead you have created right yesterday. So by using that letterhead we can create, or else if you don't want to use that letterhead, we can go ahead with custom without using letterhead. Okay, so while creating HTML, okay, while creating HTML page, by default once we create this email template, system will ask us to create by default this one also. Okay, so whenever we create this one, okay, system will ask this one also. So no need to create this as a single. Okay, when you create HTML classic letterhead, so once you're done, before that it will create this one also. System will show you how it look like. Okay, so I want to go ahead with the HTML using classic letterhead. Okay, then click next. Okay, now it's asking. Okay, so folder, just use this one only, don't change anything. Okay, unified public classic template. And see, available for use means if you select this one, then only we can call this email template in wherever we want. Okay, so select this one, available for use. So what is the email template name you want to give? I want to give email template name called something welcome email, right? This related to welcome email. Welcome email. Okay, welcome email. So letterhead. So you see, we have some questions where to use that letterhead. See, now in a classic letterhead, now it's allowing to select the big whatever yesterday we have created, right? Big C letterhead, right? The email layout. Okay, so we have these many email layouts. Okay, so if you click here, view email layout options, it will open in a proper way. So free form letter means like this, and formal letter means like this. Okay, promotional means like this, and promotional left. See, generally we'll get an emails, promotion emails. Let me open any my Gmail account. Yeah, here if you go to the promotions, okay, Shahrukh Khan is waiting for you. Okay, this is something ICICI Bank has sending. Okay, so this is one type of letterhead. This is called, if you click here, this is the one, right? The formal letterhead means something add, then some letter, then promotional means this side is matter and this side some picture. Maybe this side picture, this side the text. Okay, like that. Okay, so we'll get promotional emails like this, right? Newsletter way. Okay, and products way. So these are, we have these many types. So whichever you want to choose, we can choose. But generally we choose here free form. Okay, free form letter. Okay, then click. If you want to give any description, you can give. Okay, and subject I'll give welcome. What is the subject? Subject I'll give like welcome to. So I'm sending as a welcome letter, right? Welcome to Reliance Digital. Okay, click next. Okay, now see, yesterday this letterhead we were not able to type anything here, right? We are not able to type anything here, right? Now it's allowing to type, right? Yesterday we created a letterhead format, right? Template we have created. Now we are using that letterhead and we are creating a email template. Okay, now here, okay, we want to write the data, right? We want to write the content here, right? So here just go up. Okay, so you want to change any font, you can change. Okay, and you want to have size, you can select. Okay, now so here, okay, so select fields to be merged means, let's say if you type here something name, you want to write a welcome contact number means some name you want to write. So that name where you get from fields called. So this is we are creating an employee, right? This particular requirement we are creating on employee object, right? So select the particular object on which you want to create object called employee, right? Employee fields, right? So in employee object, so I need fields, employee fields only, right? So select fields type on employee, on employee, on employee fields. Okay, then so what I want to select here, the fields which I want to show in this email, like let's say welcome name. Name means email, employee name, right? Employee name. Okay, then what you do, you just copy this one, whatever this, whatever. Sorry, why it is showing this one second? Let me resize. Okay, okay. See, this was not able to show me, right? So that's the reason I just minimize. Okay, so if you want to have, if you want to take any field name, so it will come like this. I want to have employee name. Okay, so we'll come back here. Okay, now we want to write any letter, right? Okay, so I'll say, right, I'll say right matter site here. Hello. Then I'll say name, right? I want name, right? Employee name. So I'll select which field I want to display here, employee name. Okay, just copy this one, copy and paste here. Okay, paste. Okay, hello, Shubhani. Okay, then come down. Okay, welcome to Reliance. Reliance Digitals. Okay, Reliance Digital. Welcome to Reliance Digital. That Astro mark that. Welcome to Reliance. Next, what matter we can type? We are happy to welcome you.
Shubhani, you have mentioned their hello employee name, right?
Yes.
Which particular name will it take? Because there will be so many names. How will it know the new employee name?
Yes. So if you understood what I selected, okay, whenever employee record get created, then only I need to send an email, right? I need to send a welcome email, right?
Yeah.
So 1 second, let me tune this one to okay. When you click new, okay, you'll give the employee name and qualification, everything, then click save, then email went to the particular employee, right? So whatever the name you are giving, employee name, right?
Happens. Okay.
Employee name. So what I selected here, I selected employee fields. From employee fields, employee name, right? Employee name. So
Okay.
employee name, this one. So whatever the employee name you give, okay, I have not given any employee name. I just given the reference, right? So whichever name you give in this reference, that name will come here in the letter. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, welcome to Reliance Digital. Okay, we are so glad to welcome. We are so glad to have you in our team as a manager of as a sales manager. Okay, sales manager. Okay, we are looking forward to work with you. Something on we are in Olds number one. Number one retail at Olds number one. We are Olds number one retail. We are in, okay, we can say something. If you want write, whatever thing you want to write, you write. Okay. Now I want to say that I want to say is your ID, your employee ID is your employee ID. Employee ID. So ID means, so from where I'll get whatever in the fields, whatever the when he is trying to save the record, I'll get an employee ID, right? So here in employee standard fields, employee fields, whatever we have available, employee name. Okay, here I will take record ID. Okay, Okay, record ID, because record is getting, well, record get created, employee ID is creating, right? Okay, employee ID. Then I'll say date of joining, which date you are joining, date of joining, date of joining. So date of joining field from employee, so I need to select date of joining field. Yeah, date of joining. Then just copy this one. Okay, match field. Right. Okay. So this is copy match field. Okay. Next, what I can take. Then here's the designation. Designation. Okay. Designation called. What is this designation? Yeah, designation. Then just copy. Okay. Next, salary. What is your salary? Okay. Let us give some space. Okay. Salary. So what is this? We have salary. Field called salary. Okay. Copy and paste. Right. So which store we are allocating? Store. Which store we are allocating? Okay. So something we have called here store, right? Yeah, store. Okay. Copy. Okay. Then looking forward to have a, okay, have a good day. I'm looking forward to work. Something. Thanks and regards. What I will do, I'll try to copy some data. Welcome email template. No, all are giving some lecture. I don't want this. Okay. So we want, you can write more text here. Okay, that's what I want to say. Okay, we want to check, okay, that name, whatever the name, record name we are given is coming, and what are the fields we are given here, data is correct or not. Okay, have a good day. Thanks and regards. HRT, right? HRT. Okay. Next, we can see preview this one, whatever we created. Okay, we can see preview. Okay, just click preview. So this is how it look like. Okay. Next, so this is how it look like. Now what? Just come down. Okay, then click next. Okay, click next. here just copy the text from HTML version. Just click on copy the text from HTML version. Click OK. What is trying to see means, if you observe, while creating email template, we have 4 options like text, HTML with letterhead, and custom letterhead with custom email template without letterhead, right? So text, right? We have seen the first option, text, right? So that one, okay. Once I click next, it is asking me to text only email format to create. Okay, that one we can create, we can write all these things, but we have an option to copy text from HTML version. So whatever I created a text, right, whatever text I written in the HTML, right, that one will come here. If you select this one, copy text from HTML version, it will come. Okay, then click save. Now we have created a email templates, both HTML as well as text. Okay, the last option was the text one. Okay, okay, so see, we have created email templates. Okay, HTML email template, and this one is text. This is text one. Okay, this is text one, and this is HTML one. Okay, now go to classic email templates. Okay, now create another one, another email template, custom without using letterhead, custom without using letterhead. Click next. Okay, so select make use available, and letterhead name I will give something. This is welcome email. Now here I will give as a something leave request. Okay, request for leave. Request for leave. Okay, so something. Then subject. If you want to write subject, we can give. Maybe I can say this is a okay. Subject. I will give this one. So this I will give as a leave application email address. Leave. Okay, application. Then click next. Okay, see HTML body. It's a classic email template without letterhead, right? Okay, now here what I want to write, hello. So I want to select fields, right? Again from employee. So go and select employee, employee fields, select employee name, just copy here. Okay, hello, just copy and paste, just come down. Okay, this is to inform you, inform that I want to sorry, this is to inform, I want to apply for a leave on some date. I'll say XX to XX. Okay, then cancel. Okay, something. Okay, then preview. See, everything came in one line, right? Okay, so it should become hello. Then in the down, this is informed to I want to leave from so and so. Then the third letter was thanks and regards. Okay, so this came in same line. So what I have to do here, I have to use some basic HTML quotation called BR. BR means break the line. Some basic HTML syntax. So BR means break the line. Okay, so I'll say here BR / okay, then again here same thing, just copy. It means break the line. If you are giving like this means it will break the line in between. Okay, just simple one, BR, paste. Then this is the line. After that again I want to break the line, right? Okay, and here also I want to break the line. Okay, then preview, right? Came, right? Good. So BR means break the line. Okay, just break the line. Okay, just preview. Okay, okay. Now just click next. Okay, so if you remember, without letterhead also it will come a combination of text, right? So here I want to create a text only email content. So instead of writing here, just copy text from HTML. Whatever we have created just now, it will come. Okay, then save it. Okay, so now we have created both the email templates, right? So we have created both the email templates. Okay, now let's go and make use of them. Okay, just go to workflow rules, workflow rules. Okay, okay, and so this means continue. Okay, new rule. Okay, so we are creating this rule means we are creating automation on particular object, right? So we'll create a workflow rules on particular object. Okay, so here I want to create a workflow rule on particular object called employee. Okay, then click next. So what is the rule name you want to give? The rule name is welcome email to an employee. Okay, welcome email to new employee. Okay, welcome email to new employee. Okay, so this is the rule name. Okay, so when this rule has to be executed, okay, means evaluation criteria means when you want to execute this action. Okay, so we have evaluation criteria in 3 ways. One, created means when a record is created. Okay, the second option is created and every time it's edited, and the third option is created and any times it's edited subsequently meet the criteria. Means, see, created means whenever first time you create any record, any employee record, this workflow will fire. Okay, or already whatever the record is there, when you just try to edit it, this option will run. Okay, this third option is created and edited, it's edited subsequently meet the criteria means some time dependency. Okay, so I want to use, in my case, I want to send an email, welcome email, whenever a new employee record is created, right? Whenever new employee record is created, not every time edited, right? So I'll go with the created. Okay, then what is the criteria you want to keep? So whenever, see, I want to send an email, whenever I click a new record, I want to send an email. Okay, with all the details. Okay, the mandatory thing here should be, I should here email ID should be entered, right? So how system knows that to which email ID you want, system can send the email, right? Whatever the in the record, whatever the email ID you entered, the user email ID of that employee, to him that email has to go, right? Means email ID has to be entered, right? So that he can receive the email. So the criteria is the criteria is criteria met means select criteria met. What the criteria on which field? So when the criteria has to execute on email field, right? Email. So whenever email not empty means not equal to null, means some value is there, means not equal to null means some value is there, then only execute this criteria, right? So on field not equal to null, empty means null, I'm just keeping null. Okay, null, not equal to null. You can see, just click save on next. Okay, see, not equal to null. Okay, criteria is not equal to, in employee email id not equal to null means email id field not equal to null. Execute this action. What action you want to execute? Immediate action, right? Immediate workflow action has to be executed. What action? I want to send an email alert, right? Select email alert. Okay, now here it asks which email. So email, what is the description of email? So description is welcome. Okay, welcome email to employee. Okay, next email template. Now we see whatever the email template we have created, we can pick up from here. Okay, so what I created, email template, not leave application, welcome email, right? Yeah, welcome email. Okay, okay, now welcome email. Email field, right? Email field. Yeah. So what is mean by? So I want to execute this welcome email. I have to execute the recipient type. Who is going to receive? Recipient type. Who is going to receive means in the email ID, in the email field, whatever the email I entered, right? Email field, right? Recipient type means who is going to receive this email. In the email ID field, okay, in the email ID field, whatever the email you entered, he is going to receive this, right? So email field, okay. See, it was this one actually, okay. So available recipient is email field, whatever the email you entered, this, yes, select this recipient, okay, then save, okay. Okay, now the action got created, right? Done. Okay, now we have to activate it. Yes, activate it. Okay, now it got activated. Now let's go and try to create a record. Let's see whether I will get an email or not. Okay, new employee record. Employee name is Ujesh. Experience 10. Qualification is MCA. Salary 1 lakh. Okay. Today is joining. Designation is store manager. Email. I'll give my email. Let me check for my personal email. 786 at gmail.com. We should give working email. Okay. And which store is appointing? Is appointed to Hyderabad store. Okay. Yeah. Just click save. Okay. Okay. Phone number 98488599. More than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then click save. Okay. Now employee record got created. So in this email, the welcome email has to be received, right? So just come back. Let's go to primary. Let's see. See, I got an email from sales who's saying that welcome to Reliance Digital, right? So look safe. Okay. Saying that hello Ujesh. So name came, right? Welcome to Reliance Digital. We are so glad to have you in our team. And employee ID. So what the ID got created here? What is the employee ID? E. So it takes a record ID actually. See this one, because we select the record ID, this one. Okay, record ID, this one. Okay, there it is. Okay, and date of joining, designation, sales manager, store manager I have selected, and salary. This rupee symbol, it has not synced with the now, because yeah, rupee symbol it shows like this only. We are working, Salesforce is working on this one, and the store Hyderabad. Okay, so working, whatever we created is working, right? Automation we have achieved, whatever the requirement client has been given, we are able to achieve, right? Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, Shubham.
Yeah, now the requirement clear, so we are able to get the email, right?
Mhm.
Right, so looks good, this email. Okay, so what we did first logo, then we created the letterhead, then we created this email format, right? Email template we created, then we went and we created the workflow, right? So this is how we can create a workflow. Okay, so we'll see tomorrow, we'll see another option. Okay, another workflow tomorrow. Oh, sorry, so tomorrow I'm not available. We'll connect on Sunday again, right, as we discuss.
Okay.
Okay, is it clear? Any question here? Hello.
No.
No.
Nothing.
Okay, so just try to practice on your own. Okay, try to give different combination of color, these letterheads, and try to give this different matter, and try to see. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll catch you on Sunday. Okay, my
Yeah,
Sunday. Okay then,
Yeah.
bye.
Yeah. Bye. Thank you. Bye.